This week there were two major stories in the news. One, that Article 50 was now going to be triggered by the UK government to start the long debate on the UK leaving the European Union. And also that a referendum on independence in Scotland is also back on the table to be discussed in the coming months. And for us in Wales, of course, this is a crucial time as well, because we need to be taking part in the discussions on the future. We've heard in Parliament this week about proposed changes to the future of Europe itself. Well, I want Wales to be a key player in Europe, whether we're inside or outside the EU in the future. And there was one issue that we talked about this week too in Parliament that showed just what a mark Wales can make. It was about the circular economy, particularly about waste, not creating so much waste, so we are not putting it in landfill or burning waste, but we are reusing, repairing and recycling things. And this is something where, if you look at Wales and our record, we are one of the best countries, not just in Europe, but in the whole world for doing this. So we can be there amongst the best, amongst the key players in Europe. We just have to discover the strengths in our economy and in our nation, and we have to use them and promote them to the full.